And welcome to new lecture about Zycoo IP telephony. As I tell you before, I want to tell you how you can configure hard phones like Zycoo or Fanvil or Yelink or any SIP brand or any phone supports SIP protocol. So Zycoo, they have two phones. They have H81 and H83. We can go to Zycoo. It's depend on you if you want Zycoo phones or if you have Fanvil phones. All of them will work with you. They are good. If you go to IPPBX, sorry, if you go to the phones, I think they put it in terminals. If you go to terminals and phone, so we have H81 and H83. So this is the phones. You can see this H81, H83. If you want to configure it, once this phone, you connect this phone to switch, should be PoE switch, power over Ethernet. Any phone, all IP phones support PoE, power over Ethernet. So if you don't have PoE switch, so you need power adapter. If we go here and search about like IP phone images. Sorry if I am explaining that, this very easy, I know, but some people they don't know about this. So if we go to any IP phone like this, so this IP phone, we have two ports from behind. Ethernet port, this will go to PoE switch, and PC port, you can connect this port like to your computer, and this is for headset and this for handset. This is for power adapter. If you don't have PoE switch, you can connect normal cable to normal switch, Cat6 cable to normal switch, and you can put power adapter to power your phone. So we have here many phones, many brands. As you can see, we have Yelink brands, we have also Fanvil brand, very good brand, also Zycoo, as we can see. All of them same configuration. Just imagine like you are configuring soft phone. In soft phone, once you configure it, if we click on our configuration edit account, we have always to put like account name, SIP server IP, username, domain, login, and password. If you put this fields in any phone, it will work with you. We will see real example. So this phone, Zycoo phone, I will go to admin. For me, I didn't care about the phone. If you're using Fanvil, Zycoo, Yelink, I will do the same configuration we do it in soft phone. So first, in any phone, just imagine like this. You have to search about line or account. So some phones, to configure the SIP account, you have to go to account, and some phones you have to go to line. So in Zycoo, if you go to account, it will not work with you. You have to go to line. So if we go to line, in Zycoo and Fanvil, you have to go to line. In Yelink, you have to go to accounts. So this is the line. You can see now this phone is registered to my customer. So this is for customer. But I open it live now through VPN. But I want to just let you see the scenario. You can see in MicroSIP soft phone, if I edit account here, you can see the account name here. The same username is account name. Display name, this is also display name, same here, we have display name. The username, we have here authentication name, you have to put extension number. The password, the same, we put here the password. And the SIP server, the SIP proxy server address, same here, SIP server. It's like different names. Here you have SIP proxy server address, and here you have SIP server address. If you have domain, you can put domain. If you didn't see this feature, just don't put it. And you have activate option, disactivate option in any phone like Fanvil, Yelink, Zycoo, all of them. After that, you click apply, it will register with you directly. So just I want to let you see this hard phone, how you can configure it. So for now, just let me close the VPN here. So for now, we will see the call recording, how we can enable the call recording. So I will go to extension, IP extension. I can enable call recording one by one for each extension. So I will click on this one, edit, and we can go to features, call recording, and you can make inbound only to record the calls that I receive it on this phone, only inbound, or outbound, or both, in and out. In and out will record everything, internal calls, external calls. So I'll click save. So if you have 100 phones and you want to enable the recording for them, no need to go one by one. You can just click here and here, or you can click select all like this. Then you go to bulk edit and you go to features. Now enable call recording and select in and out and save it. It will change all the phones. Then if we click apply changes, yes. Now if we go to this phone, edit, now we can see we enable the call recording. Let's test now. So I will make one call from microsip to 101. Test 1 2 3 test call recording. So now we test call. We can go now to call recording. Now we have one record, but you have to make sure with your time, because if your system, if your PBX time different from your PC time, you will make a call but you will not see the report. Maybe the PBX in time for PBX and date in 2016 or 2015, so you cannot hear the recording. So now we can play it from here.
Test 1 2 3 test call recording. Test 1 2 3 test call recording.
We can also download it. We can delete it. If I download, we will see it in WAV format. I can delete. If I click delete and confirm it, it will delete the call recording. Also, you can filter by date. You can filter by call from. Let's do another call. If I call 100. One. I think here my phone not registered. Let me just confirm, make active this phone. Okay, let's call again. Test 1 2 3 test. So after that we will click on search. Now we have more records. This is old. When I click search now, we have old. Like, let's see now one by one. So now first record we have the date and time, call from 101 to extension 100, and you will see who final the call. So who press hang up 100 extension, and the duration for call, the trunk name. If you have outgoing call, you will see the trunk. You take which trunk line 1, line 2, line 3. You will see if there is pin code. He put pin code for outgoing calls. You will see the type of call, internal or external, and you can play, download, delete. So we have second call 101. So this 101 we call 100 voicemail. What that mean? So I have 100 before. You can see, I think this is a bug in the extension microsip, not in the system, because it was not registered. So once you call any extension not registered, it will automatically go to the voicemail related to this extension. So if I call 100 phone and this 100 phone not working, this 100 extension not working, so I will go to voicemail and leave message. If you disable voicemail, it will hang up automatically. So we go to voicemail, the duration for call 3 seconds, and the type for call. If you go to extension, we will see here any extension. For example, you can disable voicemail from here, but we will see the voicemail feature later. We will see how we can make voicemail to email also, and how we can hear the voicemail. So this is simple how you can configure phones like Zycoo or Yalink or Fanvil. Just follow the same steps in soft phones, and we see now already the switchboard. I explained about it. We see the call recording, how we can see it from call recording. We have also call log, same thing in call log, but you have additional features like you can know if this call recorded or not. You can see if the status of call, if it's answered or not. You can filter, like give me all answered calls, and I click search. So we have all answered calls, or I can search for not answered calls, busy, failed, anything. You can filter by date, by extension from, like give me report for all calls from extension 1 100 and answered calls. So we'll see only one record. You can filter call to, trunk name, if you have pin code, you can filter many things. We will see the trunks later when we configure it, and pin code. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next lecture. Goodbye for now.